A very good evening, dear dignitaries. Am I audible? Yeah. Good evening, dignitaries, Bhopal Management Association members, and other invited guests. We are very fortunate to have with us today for the Bhopal Management Association's leadership series that we are having. The topic for today is life management, ways to lively life. And we are very fortunate to have with us today as our keynote speaker, Ms. Deepal Chatwani ma'am. Ms. Deepal Chatwani is a freelance skill trainer. She has master degree in business management with a specialization in HR and finance. A certified skill trainer from IGNU, she takes sessions on personality development, soft skills, interview skills, life skills, etc. Deliver training sessions on various platforms, including MANIT College and SIRT, MBA and Pharmacy. We welcome Deepal ma'am. And for a formal inauguration and to start the session, may I request the co-chairman of Bhopal Management Association, Dwivedi sir, to please welcome ma'am and allow us to start the session. Dwivedi sir, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes.
Yes.
I was not being allowed by you for unmute.
Sir, I'm extremely sorry for sir.
Good evening, namaskar. I am fortunate here today to give the welcome address for the budding trainer and most dynamic the Deepal about the today's subject is life management. मैंने ऐसा मुझे ध्यान है कि मैं दीपल को पहले भी कहीं सुना हूं एंड शायद ISTD के या किसी और फोरम में आई हैव गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लिसन हर. आज का सब्जेक्ट बहुत अच्छा है और आपने देखा होगा पिछले 2-3 महीनों से ये जो हमारे भोपाल मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन इज गिविंग चांस टू स्पीक टू द बडिंग ट्रेनर्स एंड ऑल दैट. एक पहले उसका सोनी का होम्योपैथिक में था कुछ, फिर उसके बाद पिछला एक और था, ये तीसरा है. ये सेम एज ग्रुप के जो नए लोग हैं जो अपना विचार रखना चाहते हैं उनको हम लोग सुनते हैं और जो यंगर स्लॉट से जब कोई चीज निकल के आती है तो दैट इज मोर इफेक्टिव. आज का सब्जेक्ट बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, लाइफ मैनेजमेंट. मैं चाहूंगा कि दीपल से इन चीजों को कवर करें. हम लोगों ने जीवन जी लिया है, ऐसा हमारा सोचना है कि हम लोग के जीवन के 3 पार्ट होते हैं लाइफ के. वन इज पर्सनल लाइफ, अनदर इज सोशल लाइफ एंड थर्ड इज अ प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. नाउ the personal life is for individual persons, nobody other knows. Then social life, family, friend, relative and all that. And professional life, where do you work and what is your target, what is your achievement. प्रॉब्लम तब होती है जब हम ये तीनों लाइफ को इंटरमिंगल करते हैं. जब पर्सनल लाइफ को भी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में लाते हैं. वो हम लोग ऑफिस में जाते थे, जिस दिन हमारे बॉस चिड़चिड़ाते थे और फाइल फेंकते थे तो उनका स्टेनो बोल देता था कि आज साहब के घर में झगड़ा हुआ है, इसलिए जरा थोड़ा सा आज बचाइए, आज बच जाइएगा केबिन में. तो वी मिक्स दी पर्सनल फाइट टू दी पर्सनल लाइफ टू दी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. या कई बार स्टेनो और मजा लेता था. बोले हम लोग बोलते थे कि जब मिलने जाना है अंदर चले जाए. बोले नहीं, अभी मैडम का फोन आया था, थोड़ी देर बाद जाइएगा. तो दिस आल्सो इफेक्ट्स दी. दिस इज फॉर ह्यूमरस थिंग्स बट इट इज ऑलवेज देयर. आप अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को प्रोफेशनल लाइफ से मिक्स करेंगे, पर इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सेग्रीगेट आल्सो. यदि आप अपसेट हैं, फैमिली प्रॉब्लम से अपसेट हैं, तो रियली इट आपके प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को इफेक्ट करता है. तो इसलिए अच्छी चीज ये है, आप इस पे विचार करेंगी और मेरा सोचना है कि आप इस पे प्रकाश भी डालेंगे कि हमको भूतकाल और भविष्य काल, पास्ट और फ्यूचर के चक्कर में न पड़ के वर्तमान में भी शुड लिव इन द प्रेजेंट. इसीलिए उसका नाम प्रेजेंट है. इस पे विचार करेंगी और इस पे बोलेंगी. आप बहुत अच्छा बोलती हैं, मैं सुन चुका हूँ आपको. और मैं अपनी तरफ से भोपाल मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन के पदाधिकारियों की तरफ से, सभी मेंबर्स की तरफ से आपका हृदय से बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ. इसी के साथ में जितने हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स जुड़े हुए हैं, जो BMA से कनेक्टेड है, जो BMA से नहीं भी कनेक्टेड है, उनका सबका मैं हृदय से भोपाल मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन की तरफ से स्वागत करता हूं और आपसे निवेदन करता हूं कि आज की संध्या को आप अपने सुरुचिपूर्ण वक्तव्य से इसको मनोरम मधुरम बनाइए। ओवर टू आदित्य।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such wonderful introduction and inauguration of the session. Now, before I would not speak, would stand between the speaker and you all. I know you all would be waiting for her to speak. So, the stage is all yours, Deepal ma'am.
Thank you so much. A very warm and wonderful evening to one and all present here. A wonderful day has been given to me, that 31st December. As I was discussing with sir, can we change a day? So he said no. So year is ending and year is starting. So we have new things to talk on and apply in our life. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me opportunity from this forum that I can talk with eminent speakers and renowned professionals from this medium. And before proceeding for a topic, I would like to say that we all are like very happy, jolly, cheerful, wonderful people, keeping smile on face for 1 hour and saying that we need to learn life, right? My topic is life management. We are learning it every day. And the topic is ways of lively life. Keeping a smile on face and doing things every day, are we really living a lively life? That is a big question that I'll need to ask, not to everybody, but to ourselves first. खुशहाल और खुशी वाली जिंदगी जी पा रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ, मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा जी पा रहा हूँ।
Thank you, sir. Heads off to you. And sir, it happens that from March to till December, so many things we have come across. It's depend on every individual how he or she has taken this scenario with them. And it's not a one-day thing, it's an everyday thing. And with this, lively is like energetic, enthusiasm, energy. We all have a graph of living like up and down, up and down, up and down. We don't have high all the time. We have lows also, but how we are tackling it, that's a lively life. Say God has given us life, but he has not given ball in our court. He has kept that ball in his court. The way he wants to get the things done with us, he has plans for it. So proceeding with my topic is life management. I will like to share my screen. Sir, can I share my screen if you allow me, please?
Yeah, just a minute. It is allowed. Just a minute. All right. Yeah, now you can.
Yeah. Okay. Hope everybody can see my screen. I hope everybody can see my screen.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. So as the picture
Yes.
says, so many things, right? A life management, a way of lively life, right? The boy is cycling and he has colorful things and he's enjoying his ride. So we need to think in this way, right? 1 second. Okay. Sorry. In life, we have so many things to think on, right? We have planning, organizing our daily routines. We have to go to office, we have to meet so many people, we have to manage our personal life, professional life, social life. We need to think on many things every day, every time, and we need to take certain decisions spontaneously. And there are certain things which we cannot think very we need time to think on. Are we having a wonderful and cheerful ride every day? I don't think so. We have an every day. We need to manage ourselves in that way, right? lively life, it's consists of many things, like personal need, we have our self care, we have motivation, energy booster. What we have find in our life that gives us liveliness, हमारी वो एक चीज क्या है जो हमें लाइवली जीने में मदद करती है, और वो हमें, सर आपकी आवाज आ रही है, हम ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो हम बहुत सब लोग की, सबकी, हर एक की रिक्वायरमेंट अलग है लाइवली जीने की, हमारी हर किसी की डेफिनेशन भी अलग है। हम इतना सारा पढ़ते हैं, हम मैनेजमेंट की बुक्स पढ़ लेते हैं, वी रीड सो मेनी मोटिवेशनल बुक्स, सो मेनी वी लिसन टू सो मेनी स्पीचेस। इन कोविड वी हैव कम अक्रॉस so many programs where the motivational speakers are speaking. We have attended certain things, we have learned so many things. Are we finding ourselves be alert, mindful? There's a question, are we mindful? People are talking so much about to be alert and to be present, to have a lively life, have a healthy life, have a very wonderful cheerful life with maintaining our own faults, are maintaining our own negativities. We have so many things to deal with it, how we are coping up it every day. And today we have challenge with this COVID, we have come across so many challenges, right? So it is important to live in a present moment, and it is difficult, but it is not that difficult as people have thought of. Let us see with the few things. Personal need. With this picture, I think we all are from management, और हम सबको Maslow's की theory जरूर याद आती है, hierarchy theory, where there is a psychology, basic need, safety need, belonging need, self-esteem need, so many things. One after the another, when the basic needs are being satisfied, then we go to the safety needs, then we need love, affection, esteem need, and self-actualization, where the people rarely reach. People think it is difficult to reach. Are we really, it's difficult to reach? I don't think so. In my opinion, it is not that difficult to reach when people know how to deal with their inner thought. Nowadays people talk about IQ, EQ. Few days back I was listening to you say, are we preparing our mind for adverse situation? This thing talk about good things, that we need to have good things in life. We have one or the another needs and wants we talk. अगर हमसे कोई एक दिन पूछे कि आपकी क्या नीड्स और वांट हैं, वी कैन स्पीक अबाउट कि मुझे ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ऐसा भी चाहिए, आई नीड अ कार, आई नीड अ होम, आई नीड एवरीथिंग. But are we really thinking? One second, sir. Okay. So are we really thinking, are we preparing our mind for these things कि मेरी एक, I am satisfying my needs one after another, or social need, my emotional need, my psychological need? Am I having my social circle?
Deepal, if you could please switch off your video. I think as you are sharing your screen as well, and your video is on, so it might consuming a
in one way. Hello.
Yeah, Deepal ma'am, can you please switch off your video for a while?
So are we going to talk about that? Yes, Aditya sir.
Can you please switch off your video? I think there is some network issue from your end.
Didn't get you, sir. Sorry.
Your voice is lacking actually. So if you can switch off your video, I think that could help.
Yes, sir. I'll do that. Now my voice is audible?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Okay. So I was talking about, are we going to, that these are the personal needs that every day, or we are running from childhood till adult, until we are having our services, we are working in professional life, we have certain desires for us, we have certain desires, our families also having some expectations. Daily we are meeting their needs, our needs, their needs, our needs. Somewhere we are being stuck into between this. But have we sat and analyze that there is some social life we need to live, there is some sharing has to be done, psychological life, psychological, how we are dealing with our mind thoughts. Our mind and our soul is a chatterbox. It speaks every time, every minutes, the moment you get up. We have a monkey type chatting going on inside us. Are we able to make that quiet? Are we able to answer that inner voice that my personal needs is exactly what I want in my life? It's a materialistic thing or emotional thing or social thing for me. At this every level that my mind is thinking that that how I'm going to deal with my emotions. Nobody gives thought on this, that how I'm going to tackle my emotions. I am able to tackle my emotions, how can I deal with it? I need to talk to somebody. This is also a personal need. My wants, desire is also not only needs. There are so many motivational theories, there are so many stress theories, there are so many things going on every day. A new session can be there, everybody have their own point of view. But are we thinking that our personal needs can be that emotional, is my mind and heart is synchronized? What my mind is saying, my heart is also agreeing with it, or my what I heart is saying, my mind is also agreeing with it. When we work on a professional front, we need to keep our things, certain things to our own thing, own self. But are we there a pretentious person, or we are a real person? Are we able to say what we want, but there is a way to say, because there is also a personal need to have a growth in our life, right? So we need to think on these things, that what exactly we are talking about. Personal needs, personal needs cannot be stick to, sorry, personal needs cannot be stick to only the things that we want in our life. Please think over beyond this. What Maslow's theory is talking about, that needs, wants, one after the another, हमें ये हो जाने के बाद we should achieve this, we should get मतलब ये level हो जाने के बाद ये level. But in my opinion, one should think about that, मेरे रिलेशंस कैसे हैं, मेरा कम्युनिकेशन कैसा है, मुझे एक अच्छी लाइफ जीने के लिए ये नीड्स भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. मेरी नीड्स मैंने अपने तक ही रख रखी हैं. जब तक मैं अपने आप को सबसे जोड़ूंगी नहीं, सबसे मिलूंगी नहीं, सबसे कह नहीं सकूंगी, मैं अपने दिमाग को, दिल को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर सकती. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई बॉडी, नॉट ओनली द बॉडी बट द माइंड ऑल्सो. So that's why I have chosen this picture where the hierarchy is there, but there is so many things are there in the mind that we want to achieve. That is a personal need that I want to talk about today. That, and we need to adapt changes. हम में से change, as I'm talking to so much professional, so many professional person here, there's very few youngsters, but you all might have come across so many changes, so many ups and downs in their life. Are we going to accept the change the way it has come, or we have taken out if and buts at the time? Before saying, sir, this won't be able to possible, sir, this won't be able to, ma'am, this won't be, have you given thought ki it can be possible, it can be applied, it can be accepted, it can be my personal need to growth. We need to adapt change, we need to train our mind to adapt change, and our needs will also be changed according to that. All this I want to talk about. Next, I want to talk about self-care. Self-care, we talk about hygiene. We need to be very proper, neat, clean daily life. Everybody is aware of what is hygiene, but if I'm taking care of myself, I'm not doing anything wrong. People say that if you're taking too much care, you're too much obsessed about yourself. No, I'm taking care of my body and mind, both the things. Personal life, if I am keeping my hygiene, if at the office place also, if in office place I need to sit in neat and clean place, why cannot I? Office place has to be neat and clean. That is for important hygiene that we need to think about. It's not only the clothes, the things which I'm using, that's the one require care, but self care is where I'm using my washroom. People you need to have a mental hygiene where you talk about that what are my emotions, how I'm thinking, how I'm dealing myself, what I'm saying to people. I'm going to whether I'm thinking 24 into 7 negative, where I am if somebody came to me and or somebody is talking in front of me, I have a perception that this person is talking about me. I have to keep a check on my mental hygiene, that I am able to delete all the dust and dirt which is going in my mind. That is also a self care. Why I'm not able to express what I want, which is going into mind. As we have attended sessions and where we have or we have read in so many books, and we say that learn to say no. Okay, we need to learn to say no, but on the other part of the other side of the coin, why we are not able to express the emotions, feelings, which is going into our mind? That is also hygiene. If I'm taking care of my things, I can take good care of my mind, where I can express. There are more than 70% people are suffering from or are not able to say the things which is going in their mind. There are very less percentage where people say what they feel, and then people say that they are very blunt. If you say people that, if you think that people should be very clear and cut to you, very truthful to you, then we should be ready to accept the flaws also that people are going to talk about us. Why we are not able to take the negatives which are being spoken to us? Because we can have a growth for our self. हम अपने लिए अच्छा भी तो सोच सकते हैं ना, कि कोई हमारे फेस पे या हमारे साथ बैठ के हमें अच्छे से समझा रहे हैं कि दिस इज बैड इन यू. That is also self care, where I'll improve myself. I cannot relate my life with everybody and say कि इसके जैसा हो, इसके जैसा हो, इसके जैसा हो, उसके जैसा हो में ही तो हम यहाँ तक आ गए हैं, that we are spoiling ourselves. I am a young person where I'm learning so many things every day, sitting with the professionals and having so many thoughts going into my mind, but I express it. Whether my senior with me or this is my, I cannot carry that burden in my brain. I cannot carry that burden in my mind that I have a continuous thought. We have also come across of that, you might have also come across a word, that conscious or subconscious mind, and so many things related to it, that how the thinking process also work. So why not to clear my unconscious mind or subconscious mind and bring it into and talk about it, because it gives clarity. Once I have a clarity, I will be able to think very clearly what is right, what is wrong. Won't be in dilemma. People not able to take a decision for themselves because they are stuck somewhere in their mind that this has to be done or this not have to be done. Iske repercussions kya honge, uske repercussions kya honge, rather than thinking about future. live in moment. If you read Gita, if you read so many, people are writing books, they are telling to apply. That is also self-care. Where I'm talking about hygiene of body, neatness, cleanliness of personal life, personal belongings, office place, and hygiene of mind. With that, the most important thing of self-care where the people are lacking today is a sleep. Lack of sleep is also one of the thing that I want to talk about in self-care. We are so much addicted towards screen. We give so much time to screen. Either it is a laptop, mobile, tab. People say that it is once you don't give proper time to sleep, your mood, thinking, logical, critical thinking, all these things get affected. You will not see in one day, but it's a slow pattern. We need to give proper time to thinking. People who says that they sleep for 4 or 5 hours or 3 hours, they are done, but it is not reflected in one day. It will take 15 days to reflect in your body that you are suffering from lack of sleep. There is a mood swing. Once you won't be able to understand that why you are not getting, but if you pay attention, there might be so many things that the sleep affects. If you have a lack of sleep, we are in self care, we are taking care of our body, we are taking care of everything, we are going enjoying parties, we are meeting people, we are doing work, but somewhere in the down the lane we are neglecting our sleep. Why? I have a question to this generation. Why? If you want to work, give this time 7 hours, give dedicated 7 hours to your work and have proper diet and sleep. That is also first important thing in our life. And if you do not feed good food to your body, how your mind is going to work? That one question that I want to ask everybody. You need to give good food, good care to your body, but you need good care of your mind also. If your mind will not rest, how you are going to be very energetic and lively? After few days you will be very lethargic, fatigue, mood swings, emotional. You won't be able to have a emotional control on your control on your emotions. Love yourself. Okay, my principal ma'am is sitting here, and I will like to say one thing that she taught me during school days, that people love it tip of your finger. Then you will be able to love others. And I do it. I take care of my things. I take care of my everything. Where uh, there is a stress, there's a burden, there's a burden of work, there's a stress, there's something is going in the family that we are not able to tackle, something is going at a workplace we are not able to tackle. Talk to people, release your emotions, as in a personal need also I talked about. That is also a self-care. But don't neglect your sleep. There's where exercise is also very important. When you do exercise, your mind is activated. We were actually born with the lizard brain, where the lizard brain used to know only the basic things, where we know how to brain was about like, okay, to get it relax, work and do certain things, basic things. Then we slowly with the pace of time, then the human were developing, and we were switched to cat brain, where the cat brain talked about, okay, a little logical, a little communicative. And after a duration, cortex will be added to cat brain. And then human brain came into the picture, where we become more logical, more critical. We know how to communicate, how to talk to people, how to say our things. But God has made us to live to fullest Why we are wasting those things? He has made sleep, he has made food, he made us do exercise. People of foreign country have accepted yoga, but we are failing to do so. Foreign people, foreign countries are accepting Indian culture, Indian traditional things which we used to follow in our forefathers used to follow, and same we are moving towards Western culture and people are moving towards Indian culture. In this COVID, everybody have become health conscious and they have realized that without health there is nothing. People have diverted towards yoga, meditation, right, cycling. In this duration, I have observed that the business of whosoever is dealing with the cycles, selling cycles, have earned more. Care, please take a good care of your sleep, your body, your mind. Then you will be able to love yourself. That is important. Next, energy booster. Energy booster, as from the picture one can say that a person is running mind and other mind is sitting on exercise cycle. For giving energy, for living lively, wonderful like life, having a management in life. As I was talking about exercise, it's one of the most important thing that one need to have every day. Every day means we need to have healthy habits, hobbies, good food, exercise, good food. Healthy habits and interest means you need to have hobbies. Whatever hobby you have, like painting, drawing, cycling, even sitting with a talk and having your expressions being spoken, that can also give you energy, right? And one thing in this I want to talk about, that we know what our hobbies, we know where our interest lies. We play table tennis, basketball, badminton, skipping, cycling, walking, having good food, all these things. But one of the energy booster which I want to talk about here is stop criticizing people. If we talk about too much for others, if we are focusing too much on others, that takes away our energy. If we are too much being busy seeing to others, that can also take away our energy. May not be physical energy, maybe the mind also. It's a 24 hour into 7 it is working, so how I'm going to relax it, that is also very important. That can be one of the most important energy booster where in this today's generation, where I am comparing myself or the other to myself or myself to others. Why? When I am self-sufficient person, I have everything in my home, in my personal life, professional life. I'm working hard to earn and I'm working hard to achieve my aim. Right? So why I am paying attention to others? That is that is killing my energy. Find out. We make the to-do list to do the things. Aren't we are? Can we make the list to do, not to do the things? ऐसी कोई चीजें हम तो अपनी चीज निकालते हैं कि ये चीजें हमें करनी है, क्या हम ये चीजें अपने दिन छोड़ सकते हैं? Can we stop using social media? Yes, it is taking our energy. We just scroll the screen to know what's going in others' life. Instagram, you only see the photos, not other things. Why you want to have an Instagram? Okay, publicity, advertisement, business purpose, that is very different. But it should also have a time. Energy can be boosted once you know, have a fixed timetable, planning, organizing your work, your life. That if I wake up by 6 o'clock, what I have to do till 9 o'clock? What will be my schedule? That I can channelize my energy. Where I'm killing my energy in the media, talking about people, I'm looking, I'm going to live for the people, by the people, or I'm living for me? That is a big question that we need to think about. The another energy booster that we can think of, that learn to relax your mind. That is important for energy boosting. We are 24-hour working. We have so many things to, we are giving so much time to this laptop, mobile, right? We are talking to people, we are discussing things, we are discussing businesses, right? But please learn to relax your mind, where it is important right now to think nothing. We don't know how to, we even don't know how I should think nothing. Give our mind a relax, that okay, it's just sitting idly for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That can also channelize your mind, channelize your energy. It gives you more energy. If you're sitting in meditation, why you feel so relaxed? Because in starting, so many emotions are coming, but after a certain time you are lost somewhere, and you also don't know where you are lost. And in today's generation, or today's century, we know one after the another, one after the another, one after the another, we do need to do this, we need to do this, we need to, for what you are running? For which thing we are running? What we want in our life? Are we killing, or are we using our energy for the purpose, or just we are running to achieve something, but what we don't know? So we need to relax our mind also by thinking nothing, or sit and do meditation or certain exercise. Do certain things which give exercise to your mind, solve puzzles, that also have a recreational activity to your mind. We are giving to the body while playing badminton and all, but what about mind? Because it's a main source of energy to your whole body. When mind is healthy, whole body will be healthy. If mind is not healthy, you won't be able to focus on one thing also. We won't be able to do one, even we are not able to understand what the other people is saying. So we need to keep our mind healthy, mind and energy. Everything starts from there and end there. And my last, not the least topic to talk about in this life management is motivation. For which thing we are running? Are we running towards money, or are we running towards goal? There are so many motivational theories, where ERG theory, X and Y theory, Hansberg, Maslow's. Are one question that I want to ask, that we are running to in life to achieve what? Power on others, or to gain power in ourselves, to have energy in us, to have motivation in our life, to go and achieve what we have achieved today? If I have scored 75 today, if I have achieved the target of 50 lakh, I am able to achieve the target of 60 lakh, or other have scored 60 lakh, 60 lakh, or I should have a market of 70 lakh. Sorry if I am taking a wrong figures, if I am not able to say, I apologize for that. But what purpose I have in my life to go ahead? What is motivating me? My purpose of life, I need to ask question to myself, that what I'm looking for, what is my passion? Am I ready to face challenges? Have you kept yourself in uncomfort zone, or in a comfort zone? Between these two, people don't know even whether they are in comfort zone or in uncomfort zone. The between these two lies discomfort zone. In this discomfort zone, people even don't realize which domain they lie, either in a comfort zone or discomfort zone. We need to think that, are we too comfortable in where we are sitting, or are we getting agitated what is motivating, what I have to achieve, how I'll have a growth in my life, growth not in monetary but in a skill, how I'm developing my skill every day. What skill don't I have today, what I have to achieve for my goal, my growth. I have certain expectations in my life, but how I'm going to achieve it? What makes me wake up every morning? We listen so many spiritual things, so many gurus and all. Are we applying it? That's a big question that we need to ask. We feel motivated if Sandeep Maheshwari is speaking, and Gopal sir is speaking, T Rangarajan is speaking, everybody, we feel energetic for that particular moment. But what about the very next moment? Are we following the same things or not? It is difficult, but we need to promise ourselves, not to others, that we will achieve in this life. Until unless you have not made up your mind, you won't be able to achieve whatever you want to. If you want to, that goal should have that passion, that goal should have an energy that motivates you to go ahead in your life. Feel that passion. If you are stuck somewhere, talk to people, talk to professionals, talk to your colleagues, talk to the mentors, teachers, coach. They're there for us every time, but we feel that they will feel bad about us. We need not to think like that ki, what people will think. The good saying is there, ये क्या कहेंगे लोग, बहुत बड़ा है रोग. यही हम बार बार सुनते हैं इस चीज को, बट हम करते भी तो यही हैं. हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, सोसाइटी क्या कहेगी, हाउ इंडिविजुअल. Why Dhirubhai Ambani? Why Tata Birla? Why these people are being so different? Look at, we people are also there. Why we can think of big that they people can think? कोई इतना बड़ा अचीव कर लेगा क्या? People think about. कोई अपना ड्रीम मोटिवेशन बताए किसी को तो people question it, ये हो पाएगा क्या? हो पाएगा. If they can achieve, I can also achieve. It is not that difficult. And a few things, tips that I want to give about lively life here, that things that people we need to have for giving us a lively, wonderful, cheerful, energetic life. We need to have certain questions to ourselves, that how, what, where, when I will be do it, how I am going to do it, will be it possible, how it is going to be possible. Whatever I have to gain in my life, I want to achieve in my life, I have a certain standards set it in my life, that I want to have this thing, this type of life. Ask questions to yourself, that are you going to achieve it, how you are going to achieve it, what help you will be needing from. Alone nobody can do it. You need some people with you to achieve something. Without help or without support, you won't be able to do it, right? And please, if you we need to empty our mind to have new things accepted. That's why we are going to accept changes. As the generation to generation or centuries going, centuries there, so many changes are there. COVID is there. As the COVID also is changing, it is coming with another, its upper version of it. So how we are going to cope with it, cope with the difficulties also, and have a gratitude. We need, I think that gratitude is one of the key to have a wonderful life, where you can say thank you. You can say, you can appreciate others. To that gratitude tells that how you have attitude towards other, how you're going to handle it, how you're going to react to people, and have a control on actions. Then the reactions will be different. आप अपनी चीजों को कंट्रोल करेंगे, नेचुरली सामने वाले के तरीके बदल जाएंगे. So action and reaction is also one thing we need to take care of. And we need not to think that we are less than anybody. We are born with our own purpose. We are born with our own unique way, unique style. We need to think, we need to identify that first, rather than seeing others. So think that you are the king and queen. Why I cannot think about it? That can also be a wonderful way of thinking, that I have a lively life. Yes, I am a queen of my life. Yes, I am a king of my life. Why can I think of it? Right? And that exercise, and give us self affirmations. For self affirmations means that I am good, I can do best, I am doing best. There's a one old person nearby my house, and she is 60 plus around. She tells that I'm still young, I'm very energetic. Why should I feel that I am getting old? That's a lively life she is living. She has gone through a lot of in life, but the challenges she has faced, the challenges she has come across, that is also a wonderful way. Your body get older or elder, but don't allow your mind also. Keep your mind in alert zone on in, or in a wonderful way, that liveliness, jolliness, that we need to be very cheerful, where we should have our own aura, that people should talk to us, share with us, right? And the last, not the least thing that I want to talk about in this, that social media and the news, where have I can have a limit. I cannot see. There's one thing that I have noticed in people कि वो न्यूज, एक ही न्यूज को अलग 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 तरीके से देखते हैं. अगर वो नेगेटिव न्यूज है तो वो एक ही चैनल पे वो न्यूज देखेंगे, फिर दूसरे चैनल पे देखेंगे, फिर तीसरे चैनल पे देखेंगे. तो देर देर ऑल्सो यू आर किलिंग योर एनर्जी. सो गिविंग टाइम टू न्यूज, फिर वही न्यूज हम सेम न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ते हैं. तो दैट द सेम थिंग यू आर रीडिंग, और वो चीज फिर आपके दिमाग में दिन भर चलती रहती है. राइट? सो आप अपनी इन चीजों को भी, तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, हम इसको भी तो कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. दैट लीड टूवर्ड्स कि हम इससे अपना थोड़ा सा टाइम लिमिट कर देंगे, तो वी कैन डू सर्टेन थिंग्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. मेरा न्यूज टाइम लिमिटेड होगा, मेरा मीडिया टाइम लिमिटेड होगा. आई कैन गिव इट टू माई हॉबीज. आई कैन टॉक टू वंडरफुल पीपल. आई कैन मीट वंडरफुल पीपल. I can learn from them. Right? And speak to yourself. Give time to yourself. And pay attention to your soul voice. That gives you more energy. That tells you, that's a true voice that you can hear, and which says that what is right and what is wrong. And life management, and India, we are still talking about life management and happiness, good management and all those things, but India's happiness index is still 140th number. We are nowhere in the picture of under 100 also. And in India, the most happy or managed place is known as Mizoram, Sikkim. They manage their things. They live very happy life. That the data have come in 2018. We need to think that why they are living so happily, and why they are being rated as most happy or managed state of the country, or whosoever are so happy country, like why US is not there in the like why it is, why we are lacking actually. Sorry, we need to study that, because every day so many things we are listening about happiness, good, we should do this, we should do that. So many people are also doing, but still we are lagging. We need to find the reason for it. And that life management includes planning, communication, and deal with your procrastination, that kal kar lenge, and treat yourself very well. You are the king and the queen of your life. No matter where we are sitting, we need to tackle our emotions, and we need to give value to ourselves. Thank you so much. This is from
Thank you very much, Deepal ma'am. That was a wonderful deliberation that you had shared with us all. I think now you can switch on your video as well if you can stop the screen share.
Yeah, I'm doing that, yes.
Yeah. Perfect. So that was an excellent session, ma'am. Wonderful deliberation. You talked on those basic things which are really important and which we generally ignore in our day-to-day life. So thank you for raising all such things on this New Year Eve. And we got time to rethink on our things, what we are doing on our daily basis. So now the forum is open. So anyone wants to have any question, want to discuss anything, they can unmute themselves and they can discuss.
Can I ask her? Can I?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Sure, sir.
Congratulations, Deepal madam, for wonderful presentation. मुझे एक चीज पूछनी थी आपसे कि इतने साल हो गए, लेकिन इसकी रेगुलरिटी कैसे लाई जाए? मतलब हम लोग क्या लगातार पॉजिटिव रह ही नहीं पाते और अच्छा सोच ही नहीं पाते, तो इसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा जिससे हम लगातार ऐसा कर पाए?
सर, रेगुलरिटी और पॉजिटिविटी रोज सेम नहीं रहती, सॉरी।
नहीं तो ये कैसे करें हम कि हम लगातार ऐसे बने?
सर, छोटा सा एग्जांपल दूंगी। मैं लास्ट 15 इयर्स से अकेले वॉकिंग जॉगिंग कर रही हूँ।
आप 15 साल के हो?
नहीं, जब मैं 15 साल से।
माने मुझे तो 15 की लगी आप, इसलिए
कोई बात नहीं सर। थैंक यू सो मच, दैट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट।
हाँ, तो
मैं आपकी चीज का आंसर दे रही थी।
जी।
तो उसमें क्या होता है, बोरियत भी आती है, अकेला भी लगता है, और उसके साथ ऐसा लगता है कि यार किसी को साथ ले लेते हैं, रोज कैसे करें। बट ये मुझे पता है कि इससे मेरा बेनिफिट है। मुझे इससे पता है कि ये मेरा दिमाग, ये मेरी एनर्जी है, दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट। एनर्जी बूस्टर सिर्फ खाना नहीं है, ये मेरे को सुबह सोचने का टाइम देता है, ये मेरी सुबह की सोच बहुत हेल्दी करता है। मेरा शेड्यूल सुबह ही बन जाता है सर, वो 1 घंटा जो करती हूँ। तो दैट फेचेस माय अटेंशन एंड आई एम गोइंग एवरी डे। मैं छुट्टी भी करती हूँ, मैं आराम भी करती हूँ, मैं अपने आप को रिलैक्स भी करती हूँ, बट मुझे ये ध्यान है कि दिस इज माय वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग ऑफ द डे, जो मेरा पूरा दिन अच्छा कर देती है। तो व्हाई नॉट टू गो हेड विद इट, और उसको करना है। जैसे ये तो एक्सरसाइज हुई, अब मेरे को रोज ऑफिस में भी सेम काम करना है, सेम लोगों से मिलना है, राइट? तो मैं हफ्ते की कोई एक चीज अपनी ऑफिस के शेड्यूल में जाने के बाद बदल लूं, कि मैं सबसे 5-7 मिनट एक दिन सैटरडे ऐसे कर लूं जैसे बहुत जॉवियल नेचर का हो या सबको बहुत मजा आए, मैं वैसा क्रिएट कर दूं सैटरडे। क्योंकि आई यूज्ड टू वर्क इन नेटलिंक सॉफ्टवेयर, तो वहाँ मंडे टू वेंसडे बड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट था, थर्सडे वाज सेमी, फ्राइडे वाज एक फुल एंजॉयमेंट। आप काम भी करो, आप रिलैक्स से, आप बाहर ओपन में भी लैपटॉप लेके बैठ सकते हैं हम अपना। तो दैट फ्रीडम वाज देयर। चेंज, मुझे अपना एटमॉस्फेयर और अपने आप को पता होना चाहिए कि मेरे को चेंज कैसे करना है और मेरी चेंज का मोटिवेशन कैसा है। वो चीजें रेगुलरिटी बढ़ा देती हैं, क्योंकि वो मुझे हर दिन ऐसा लगता है कि आज कुछ, इस हफ्ते कुछ नया करके देखते हैं, या अगले हफ्ते अगले महीने नया करके देखेंगे। तो दिस गिव्स अ रेगुलरिटी। और पॉजिटिविटी की बात आपने जो की, हमेशा नहीं रहता, बट मेरा रिस्पॉन्स तो मेरे पे डिपेंड करता है ना सर। मुझे रिस्पॉन्स कैसे देना है, मुझे लोगों से कैसे जवाब देना है, या लोग, मेरा अगर टेम्परामेंट है और तो मुझे लोगों से अभी कुछ नहीं बोलना, आई कैन सिट अलोन, आई कैन से आई विल टॉक यू लेटर, आई कैन डील इट लेटर। मैं अपना रिस्पॉन्स चेंज कर सकती हूँ। तो मेरी पॉजिटिविटी, लोगों को लगेगा कि अच्छा, दे हैव सर्टेन थिंग्स इंपॉर्टेंट, हो सकता है कुछ हो तो बाद में बात कर लेंगे। और अगर उसी समय मैं बोल दूं नहीं, अभी बाद में बात करेंगे ना, तो मेरा रिस्पॉन्स फिर ऐसा बोलेगा कि यार आज इनका मूड अच्छा नहीं है, इन्हें तो दूर है। तो दैट ऑल्सो चेंज हैप्पीनेस, motivation and everything.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thanks for this enlightenment.
That was a very crucial question, very important question, and a very apt one. And I think Deepal ma'am have answered it very crisp and clearly. So, any other thing, anyone? I think this topic is something where we all face some of the or the other challenge. So, anyone? Dipal ma'am, there
Thank
is
you.
one thing that I want to ask you. So you said ki we used to listen to all those motivational speakers and everything, but how many of us can actually implement it in our day-to-day life? So anything you want to suggest on that?
Sir, I didn't get you. Sorry.
You said ki we used to listen to motivational speakers, all other great speakers we used to listen to, but that is the only duration for 10, 20, whatever minutes we listen to. But how can we implement these things in our day-to-day life? Did you get my question?
सर आपकी आवाज कट रही है. सॉरी.
आदित्य जी ये पूछ रहे हैं मैडम, आदित्य जी ये
से
पूछ रहे हैं,
login
आदित्य
करके
जी ये
देखते
पूछ
हैं
रहे हैं
एक
मैडम कि ये जो हम लोग हमेशा सुनते हैं लोगों को, हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करें? Am I right आदित्य?
Right, sir.
दीपल आपके यहाँ का नेटवर्क कमजोर है शायद. दीपल दूसरे नंबर से भी जुड़ गई है. तो आदित्य
हाँ वो
आदित्य
सर
ये पूछ रहे हैं. हाँ, दीपक
वाईफाई इशू है इसीलिए.
हाँ दीपक, आदित्य जी पूछ रहे हैं कि हम लोग ये रोज जो लोगों को सुनते रहते हैं, अल्टीमेटली उनको फॉलो कैसे करें? मतलब चाहे शिवानी जी को सुन लें, सदगुरु जी को सुन लें, रोज नया सुनते हैं और सुनते समय बड़े एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं और उसके बाद फिर बस, तो उसको हम फॉलो कैसे करें? Am I right, Dr.
सर
Aditya?
Definitely, sir. That was my question.
थैंक यू सो मच सर एंड आई अपोलोजाइज. मैं आपका क्वेश्चन पहली बार में नहीं
No,
समझ
no
पाई.
problem. Please, ma'am.
सर मेरा पर्सनल मानना ये है कि हमें किसी को फॉलो करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. हम सीख लें, हम नई चीज जाने, हम नई चीज अप्लाई कर लें, बट हम अपनी पर्सनालिटी बन के रहे ना. हमने शिवानी जी सुनी, गोपाल दास हैं, संदीप महेश्वरी हैं, चेतन भगत हैं, जय शेट्टी हैं, माइंड वैली है, टेड टॉक्स हैं, टोस्ट मास्टर है. लिसन टू देम, लर्न, दे हैव वेरी क्रिएटिव आइडियाज. बट मैं अपनी आइडल बन के जीऊँ ना. एज आई सेड, आई वांट टू बी अ किंग एंड क्वीन ऑफ माय लाइफ. Why should I cannot take a crown on my head and say, yes, this life belongs to me? So I don't follow anybody, but I respect ideology, concepts, creativity of others. I hope I have answered your question.
Thank you. Thank you. That was wonderful.
Thank you.
Great
show. Great show.
Any other question, anyone?
Excellent deliberation.
Thank you, ma'am.
भावना बनर्जी, नमस्ते.
नमस्ते जी. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. आपको बहुत दिनों बाद देखा.
देखा कि सुना.
मैंने बीच में देखा भी जब उनका कैमरा अंधेरे में था थोड़ा, पर मैंने देखा.
अच्छा. दीपल जी बहुत अच्छा, वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छा. यू हैव गिवन दी. आज 31 दिसंबर को अच्छी चीज जो है मोटिवेटेड एवरीबॉडी. सो इट्स एक्सीलेंट सेशन.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, people. Kala Mohan, once again, congratulations, people. Wonderful session.
Thank you, ma'am.
I like those answers very well. खुद को जान लिया तो खुदा को जान लिया. क्यों किसी को फॉलो करना भाई?
Yes, ma'am. ये हमने स्कूल में ही सीखना शुरू किया है.
दीपल कबीर ने लिखा है, बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, बुरा न मिलिया कोई, जो दिल खोजा आपना, मुझसे बुरा न कोई.
Correct.
Good.
Well said.
That I believe in.
Very nice.
Thank you, Dwivedi sir. Thank you everyone for being such an active participant and paying attention to this session. So now, as we move forward for the formal closure of the session, may I request the Honorable Secretary of Bhopal Management Association, Shri N.K. Chibbar sir, to please propose a vote of thanks.
I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All the participants, Dipal ma'am, Sudeep Karambelkar ji, our co-chairman, Rajiv Trivedi ji. As we come to the end of this session, और ये मेरी ड्यूटी है कि मैं सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स और डिग्निटीज को धन्यवाद प्रदान करूं। सबसे पहले मैं हमारे विशेष स्पीकर को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा अपना वेज ऑफ लाइवली लाइफ पे अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दिया और उसमें बहुत सी चीज़ें कवर की हैं, जिन्होंने पर्सनल नीड्स, सेल्फ केयर, एनर्जी बूस्टर, मोटिवेशन और जो कि लाइफ की टिप्स होती हैं। तो थैंक यू सो मच Dipal ma'am for your wonderful session.
Thank you, sir, for the
We hope that
opportunity.
we will continue to associate further.
Thank you.
I thank all the participants who joined this session and our co-chairman Dwivedi ji and Karambelkar ji. Thank you so much for joining us. And my special thanks to Aditya Gupta ji for wonderful moderation of this session. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
And Happy New Year to everyone.
Thank you.
That I was about to say.
Once again.
Happy and a very
In
prosperous,
advance.
brightful, cheerful year ahead.
In advance.
Yes.
Happy New Year,
Yes,
everyone.
You asked before.
Happy New Year.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.